Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping the server gracefully so files are consistent. This prevents corruption. Next, make a full backup. Compress world, plugins, and server. Properties, because restores are faster than troubleshooting. Document the current version and list of mods or plugins so compatibility checks are simple. Also copy any custom JVM arguments. Once done, verify the backup by opening it locally or extracting a file. This step saves hours if an update breaks things, and it lets you roll back instantly. Now you download the target server jar and verify its checksum to avoid corrupted files. Update plugins and mods. Check changelogs for breaking changes and get compatible builds. Mismatched plugins cause crashes. Once components are ready, spin up a local test server using the same server. Properties and JVM args to validate startup, world loading, and gameplay. If errors appear, read logs and fix plugin order or configs. Testing prevents downtime and ensures players get a stable experience. Finally, deploy the update. Put the new jar in place, migrate any changed configs, and start the server in maintenance mode so players can't join during checks. Monitor console logs for exceptions and test essential commands, world boundaries, and plugins. Invite a trusted small group to simulate normal use. If something goes wrong, revert to the backup immediately. Then isolate the issue by disabling plugins one by one and inspecting error logs. That targeted troubleshooting speeds recovery and pinpoints incompatibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.